3 ways that can guarantee your success. Positive Day Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Disunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang Friday morning sa lahat ng ma-delivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Click mo na po yan, Dr. Gigi Disunga. Okay, so, alright. Medyo okay na tayo, nasa 95% na. Konti na lang pong pahinga at makakaraos na ako sa aking karamdaman. So, medyo hindi pa tayo masyadong ganun ka heightened. Okay. Anyway, so, salamat sa lahat mo nagme-message. May mga nag-suggest ng gamot, doktor. Maraming salamat. Ginagawa ko po yung iba. Salamat sa inyo. At bukas may check-up tayo ulit sa Clark Medical City para sa cardio and gastro. Nasobrahan po ata tayo ng acid for coffee. So, stop muna tayo ng coffee. Anyway, so, 3 ways that can guarantee your success. Or 3 ways that can guarantee that you can be rich. That's better, okay? Kasi ang success, marami ang ibig sabihin eh. Pero pag when you say rich, it tells about money, okay? So, 3 ways on how to guarantee that you will be rich. Dok, di puro pagyaman ang topic mo. Kasi nga, sabi ko nga, kailangan yumaman tayo kasi ang dami nating gustong gawin sa buhay. Diba? Madami kang gustong tulungan pero wala kang pera. Sabi ko nga sa seminar ko sa City Hall, isipin nyo kung ilan ang kamag-anak nyo na kailangan ng tulong. Ang tanong ay, nakatulong ba kayo? Hindi, diba? Most of the time, hindi tayo nakatulong. Kasi nga, tayo rin kapos, diba? So, kailangan nating maging mayaman para makatulong tayo, diba? So, marami tayong matulungan. That's the purpose, to do your mission in life. And second, for you to be more happy or to be happier. Diba? Kasi, kaya sinasabi nilang hindi lahat ng pera ay hindi lahat ng kaligayahan nabibili ng pera. Pero may mga kaligayahan na pera ang katapat. Diba? Gusto mo tumawa, manood ng sine, diba? So, pera ang katapat niyan. Gusto mo mamasyal, to unwind, to be happier, to visit different places. You need money. Okay. Alright, so, that's why ang tinuturo po natin is how to become rich, right? Okay, so, ganito. There are 3 ways to guarantee na you will become rich, right? So, number 1 po dyan. Number 1, unang-una, use e-commerce. Yan. E-commerce. Nandiyan na kasi, ito na yung social media, yan na YouTube, yan na FB page, yan na website. You can sell anything there. Okay? You can advertise anything. Okay? You can create passive income there. Ang dami ng yumaman sa e-commerce. Airbnb, yung Amazon, Alibaba. So, lahat ng yan, mga platforms, these are examples of e-commerce. Para sa akin, lahat ng ginagamit mong platform to advertise your business, to market your business, to close deals, these are all e-commerce. And e-commerce, to start your e-commerce business is free. Free ang mga website. Kahit website, merong free, diba? YouTube is free. FB is free. You just have to be creative. You just have to use them. Okay? Gagamitin mo lang talaga sila. Okay? So, I don't know how we're going to use them, pero yun yung isa sa mga pwede natin gawin. Alright? Sige. So, that's 1. Okay? Yung una natin, use e-commerce. You can sell e-products. You can set up your e-course. You can sell your anything. You can have your own YouTube channel, okay? That will give you passive income. So, madami kang pwedeng gawin sa e-commerce, okay? So, that's 1. Alright, second break muna tayo. Hindi pa kain straight. Break muna tayo. Second is, nandun tayo sa, this is 3 ways that can guarantee financial success, okay? So, second is, or guarantee that you can be rich. Okay. So, yung first natin is, yun nga, engage in the e-commerce business. And second is, get commission. Alright, so, I don't know if you have a friend na may business, pwede kang i-market mo yun, you get commission. Okay? Or, if you have a YouTube channel or any platform, so you can advertise products of other people there and get commission, diba? Just like what I'm doing. I'm getting a commission from different people. Okay? What else? You talk to one subdivision or real estate company. Okay, then you sell lots, house and lots. Okay, apartment, then get commission. Okay, so or be a reseller like Overrun, so I can connect you to Ma'am Isabel. So any products na pwede mong i-resell, it's not necessarily your products para makakuha ng commission, diba? Or you talk to one big company or merchandise na nagre-retail or nagde-deliver, you just get commission, di ba? Maraming paraan to get commission. Okay. So, ang dapat mo lang gawin is try to see yung mga nagbebenta. Then, iyan mo lang sila, how are you going to market that makipag-usap ka. Let's say you get 5% commission, 3% commission, up to 10% commission, di ba? In my case, I'm getting up to 10% commission sa mga ina-advertise natin products. Binabanggit ko naman po yun. Meron tayong commission. Okay? Because I'm extending devoting time for that. Okay? So, that's second. Get commission. It's a guarantee. It guarantees your financial success. Una-una kasi wala kang kailangang puhunan. Laway lang, sabi nga, di ba? Laway lang puhunan. Yayaman ka, di ba? Magkakaroon ka ng income. Okay? So, madali lang. You talk to your friends, di ba? Or kahit di ka magsalita, mag-post ka lang sa FB. You can get many referrals. Diba? Ang FB mo, gamitin mo siya to get commission. Okay? Ang FB page mo, gumawa ka, gamitin mo siya to get commission. Okay? So, that's second. Yun yung pangalawa na pwede natin gawin on how to guarantee your success. Okay? If you want to, you know, to enroll in that area, so I can recommend Tai Lopez or what's that? Danlac. So, check mo nga yung YouTube channel nila. Madami sila matutulong sa'yo. Especially on how to become a high ticket closer. Though I can do that. I can help you. Pero if you are watching right now, international, you're from other countries, so you can visit. Baka hindi tayo magkita, gano'n, malayo. Okay? So, that's second. Alright, so, last na tayo on how to guarantee your financial success. Una, yung use e-commerce. Second, get commission. Diba? Third, to ensure, to guarantee your financial success is, you need to use your extraordinary skill. Okay? Ako kasi naniniwala na lahat tayo may extraordinary skill. Ito yung skill na hindi ka tatad sa alambre. Hindi yun. Yung skill na that's not expected from you na kaya mo siyang gawin. So, since hindi mo siya expected na kaya mo siyang gawin, everybody will be amazed. And, may intriga sila and they will hire you. For example, in my case, I'm a principal and I'm a coach, I'm a speaker, and I'm a vlogger. That's something unusual, okay? So, dahil extraordinary skill siya, I'm solving extraordinary problem. Dalawang problem, being a coach, I'm solving yung taong walang pera at yung problema ng taong maraming pera. Both extreme, di ba? So, yun yung use your extraordinary skill. May mga skills tayo na napapabayaan lang natin eh. Hindi natin alam na kaya pala natin gawin yan. Meron pala tayong ganito. So, hindi natin alam kasi kung paano siya i-manage, di ba? Kung anong pwedeng gawin, di ba? So, use your extraordinary skills. Like, for example, teacher ka, pero kaya mo gumawa ng website. Marami yan. Do you know, ang tagagawa ko ng poster is a teacher. Yung ina-upload ko is a teacher. Yung mga ina-upload ko pong mga poster sa aking FB, pagka may mga seminar ako, is a teacher. Okay? And yung editor ng ano ko, ng vlog ko, is not an IT student. Grade 11 student at ABM siya, going to business, pero IT ang kanyang skills. Diba? So, it's not ordinary. Okay? So, wag na tayo magpumilit dun sa ordinary skill. Pag teacher tayo, gusto natin, nagtuturo na lang din tayo habang buhay, meron kang pwedeng gawin, di ba? So, pagka IT ka, gusto mo, IT ka na lang. Baka pwede ka rin mag-MC, maging choreographer. Ang dami kong kilala mga IT students, pero very good dancers. Ngayon, iba, choreographer. Di ba? So, ano siya, ibig sabihin, ano natin, medyo pag-isipan natin, ano yung extraordinary skill mo that can give you money, okay? Ulit-ulit tong topic ko ng skill kasi sa akin naniniwala ako na nasa iyo mismo yung susi ng pagyaman mo. Nandiyan sa sarili mo, yung composition mo, yung component mo. Nandiyan siya mismo. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin, itap mo siya. And pag-isipan kung paano mo siya ma-market. Just make sure you get paid, okay? Alright, so, pasensya na po mga Gilibers. Siguro mga ilang panahon pa tayong ganito, ilang araw, di natin alam. Hopefully, maayos na tayo bukas for our final check-up sa Medical City. Okay, but anyway, I'm still doing coaching. So, pwede pa rin tayo this Saturday, Sunday, meron na tayo. Iba naman kasi ang coaching. Ito kasi diretso eh. Actually, napag-seminar na tayo last week, Wednesday, sa Balang City Hall. For 3 hours, oh, kinaya natin. So, kaya na rin natin yung coaching. Okay? So, just call me 0939-525-4311 kung paano kita matulungan that use your skill on how to be successful or how to be rich. Okay? Alright? Okay, so, please share this video sa lahat ng kaibigan natin, OFW, kahit dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago at umulad ang ating buhay. Alright? So, thank you very much, Gilibers. Enjoy the rest of the day. Yan. Let's go, let's go.